new learning Rust and you start writing code, you might start with one file which is main.rs. It works fine at first, but then you add maybe a few struct, a few function, then a bit more, and suddenly it's 400 lines out of nowhere. Well, there's three things that can fix it. It's like mod, pub, use. And we're gonna go through all of that throughout this video. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Rust has a way to organize code in three nested layers. It's like thinking in rings. So the outer ring is the package, which is Cargo.toml defines that one or more crates you can add into that. Now inside the package lives the crate. The crate root is lib.rs or main.rs. And inside the crate you create modules. A module is just a named scope. So mod cats, mod orders, each one is a separate namespace. Let's take a look at some real module tree of Rust. So the cat cafe package, a cargo.toml at the root, a src folder holding the crates. The cats folder becomes the cat module. And inside this, there's mod.rs, breeds.rs, and health.rs. Each file is a submodule. And over here on the right, the use path, crate double colons goes from the crate root, and super double colon steps one level up. So the pub stays public. Pub crate stays inside your project. You can also write a module inline. Mod cats with curly braces. Everything lives right there in the same file. It works, but it kinda grows too fast. And the better option, mod cat semicolon, that tells Rust to look for a file, and item insides are still private, so opt in with public or pub. And pub use re-exports a name, callers see it as yours. There are 4 visibility levels. Default is the narrowest, which is the private. So pub makes it visible to the world. Pub crate keeps it inside your project. Pub super reaches one level up to the parent module, and no keyword at all means only this module can see it. The rule is you start with private, promote only what callers actually need. You can always make something more public later, but you cannot really take it back. So use brings a name into scope, so you stop typing the full path every single time. The crate double colon starts with the crate root, and it just always works. Super double colon steps one module up, like ... in the file path actually, which is useful inside nested modules if you have those in your project. So self double colon refers to the current module. It's rarely needed but useful in mod.rs or re-exports type of thing. Pub use re-exports a name. Callers see it as if you defined it yourself. This is how libraries build clean public APIs. Use makes the name shorter and the path is still there. Here is the before. So one file, 400 lines, struct, functions, business logic, all piled in main.rs. You have probably done this before. And here is the after. The 3 lines of mod, 3 lines of use, 12 lines in total, and Rust finds each file automatically. So mod cats, Rust looks for cats.rs or cats/mod.rs. Mod order, same thing for orders, mod menu and the menu module. Everything else stays private until you use pub in it. The code didn't change, it's just the address, and that's the whole idea of modular way of organizing, refactoring, or coding. Every Rust project has a Cargo.toml. The package section is required. Name, version, edition, and that's just it. Dependencies go in their own section. You name the crate and a symbol range, and Cargo fetches it from crates.io. Features in curly braces activates optional parts of a dependency. Dev dependencies are only compiled for test, not in the final binary. Cargo build uses the dev profile. Opt level 0 means compile fast, don't optimize. It's quite great for development. Cargo build release switches to the release profile. It's like opt level 3, link time optimization, and slower to compile, but it ships fast. You can also write a custom profile and inherit from dev or release. It's useful for things like a profiling build that has debug info, but is also optimized. Cargo FMT rewrites your code to the standard style. It's like no argument, no debate. Cargo clippy is idiomatic linked. It catches things the compiler won't. Cargo dog builds HTML documentation from the / comments in your code. Cargo dog open launches it in the browser. And when you're ready to share, Cargo publish sends your crate to crates.io. Use semver so you don't break your users. So that's mostly it. A workspace is a group of crates that live together. One cargo.toml at the root. You get one shared log file. Every crate in the workspace uses the same dependency version. Cargo test workspace test every crate at once. Cargo build workspace build all of them. You can define dependency versions once in the workspace dependencies. Members inherit them without repeating version. This video series itself is more like a workspace that I've done to create all of them. All 12 episodes are like members, and they share all the parent system as a local crate. It's just giving example. Features let you gate parts of your crate behind an opt-in flag. If you declare them in features section, the default list activates some automatically. So CFG features equal the feature name compiles that block only when the feature is on, at compile time, not all runtime. To turn it on, Cargo build features and then the name, or add it to Cargo.toml. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.